Breathtaking Ranch Home showcasing soaring vaulted beam ceilings, 20 feet stone two-sided fireplace, glorious master retreat complete with private loft. Envision yourself entertaining in this wide-open floor plan. Gorgeous hardwood floors, state-of-the-art chef's kitchen, wall of sliders opens to spectacular patio for alfresco dining surrounded by lush green gardens. Opulent master bedroom retreat with stone fireplace, vaulted ceilings, doors to patio and private loft space for library, office, theater and master spa bath with fine finishes for pure luxury. Main floor office could be your family room, library or playroom. Unique and very versatile floor plan with over 3,700 square feet of luxury living. Finished lower level with bedroom, full bath, exercise room and family room. This is your forever home.